Tonight, we're going camping, and to make sure we don't miss a thing, we got a new camping lantern to take with us. Let's take a look. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and then of course, your camping lantern. On the side, you have your power button. Press it to turn it on, and press it again to adjust to the brightness level that you'd like. It has a nice little handle on top that you can use to hang it up and light wherever you need. It's Ipx4 Waterproof, making it the perfect little light to take with you camping. So I gave it a proper charge and took it out to my campsite. It's small and portable, so you can easily tuck it away in your tent and light up your area. Or you can hang it from the roof and have enough light to see everywhere in your tent. As the sun went down, I used the camping lantern to keep an eye on my husky and make sure she was staying close and safe. I used it to see while I cooked a little over the campfire. It lit up everything perfectly and allowed me to see what was going on, no problem. Then when I was done with setup, I hung the light in a tree for some extra visibility, and when I was done, I took it with me to the table to see my food and eat in comfort. Then we relaxed around the campfire and enjoyed the sounds of the night. The lantern kept our area well lit. We went on some walks and were able to see in the tent easily. This camping lantern gives you that retro feel and makes you feel like a pioneer, walking around at night, lighting the way with your lantern. But the great thing is, it has a long-lasting battery, so you can turn it on and see around for quite some time. Then if it dies, you can charge it back up and be ready for next time. The adjustable light is nice, and the light it puts out is bright enough to see everything, but at the same time, warm and inviting. I love this little lantern, so perhaps you will too. If you're looking for a light to take with you camping, this lantern might just be for you. Till next time, I'm heading out for a little night hike with my husky and my lantern. See ya!